Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're a fan of YouTube TV and want to catch all your favorite shows on your Android phone, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through the simple steps to get started. Whether you're commuting, relaxing at home, or just on the move, watching YouTube TV on your phone is a game changer. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have a YouTube TV subscription. If you don't, head over to the YouTube website or app to sign up. It's quick and easy. Once that's sorted, grab your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. Search for YouTube TV and hit that install button. The app is free to download, but you'll need your subscription to access content. After the app installs, open it up. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. If you use the same one for your YouTube subscription, it should link automatically. Pro tip: if you have multiple accounts, double-check you're selecting the right one to avoid any mix-ups. Now that you're logged in, you're ready to explore. The home screen will show live TV channels, on-demand movies, and personalized recommendations based on your viewing history. Use the search bar to find specific shows or sports events. Just type in what you're craving and tap go. You can also customize your experience by adding channels to your library or setting up parental controls for family-friendly viewing. One cool feature is the ability to cast your content to a smart TV or Chromecast device right from your phone. Just look for the cast icon in the app. If you run into any issues, like buffering or login problems, try restarting your phone or checking your internet connection. Wi-Fi works best for smooth streaming. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to enjoy YouTube TV anytime, anywhere on your Android phone. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. What's your favorite show to watch on the go? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.